Hello kids, hope you all are fine and I hope that you all are studying at home. Today we will be learning few more three-letter words. So let's start. B-I-G, big. F-I-G, fig. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. L-I-P, lip. Z-I-P, zip. K-I-T, kit. S-I-T, sit. F-I-X, fix. M-I-X, mix. P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. So we are done with all our three-letter words. I want you all to practice all these words at home. Thank you everyone. Take care.